There's only one bird brave enough to try to test the strength of an eagle in the sky. It ain't the hawk, it ain't the snake. It's a jealous crow with a bitter stake. He lands on the back, digs into the neck, pecking and screaming, showing no respect. It's loud, it's cruel, it's in your face, trying to drag a king down to its place. But the eagle never turns, never strikes, never wastes a single ounce of fight. Let the crows talk, let them peck. You don't know what, you don't know respect. Just keep on rising, don't come down. They can't breathe where you're headed now. The growth suffocates the noise. Don't engage, don't hesitate. If they can't fly with you, elevate. Just keep rising. The higher he climbs, the thinner the air. The truth gets quiet, there's only strength up there. That crow starts choking on a bar with pride, falls away on the long way down the sky. Didn't throw a punch, didn't prove a thing. Just let the climb do what the climb brings. Let the crows talk, let them peck. You don't know what, you don't know respect. Just keep on rising, don't come down. They can't breathe where you're headed now. Your growth suffocates the noise. Don't engage, don't hesitate. They can't fly with you. Elevate, just keep rising. Elevate, just keep rising. I've learned the hard way, silence wins. Some battles die when you don't swing. They want your time, they want your flame, but altitude don't know their name. Let the crows talk, let them peck. I ain't looking back, I ain't losing breath. I'm still rising, breaking through, past the doubt, past the view. My growth suffocates the noise. I won't bend, I won't wait. No fight, no fall. I elevate. Just keep rising. I don't fight crows, I fly. I fly.